क्या वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है कि क्या?
वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ. वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ. Is it okay? Yeah, say something.
समझा देता हूँ क्या कर रहे हैं. पहले आप स्टार्ट कीजिए. हिंदी में बताइए.
अभी हम मुआयना कर रहे हैं उस जगह का जहाँ पर हमको उस दिन ये सोप का कारपेट बिछाने का है. ये देखना है कि इसकी सेटिंग किस तरीके से करनी है, कितनी पैलेट्स लगेंगी, कितने सोप 1 स्क्वायर मीटर में आएंगे, कितना बड़ा कारपेट बनेगा, और सबसे बड़ी बात ये कि इसको प्रेजेंटेबल भी रखना है. और पानी और बारिश अगर आए, क्योंकि गार्डन में कभी भी बारिश हो सकती है, तो उस बारिश से कैसे बचाएं. आर के तुम क्या कहना चाहोगे कि इस बारे में हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि ये चीज़ की खूबसूरती भी बनी रहे और बारिश से भी बचाव हो जाए.
एक्चुअली लगने में बड़ा आसान लगता है कि आपने एक कारपेट बना दिया है, पर आप अगर टेक्निकली देखेंगे, इधर लॉरेंस बैठे हुए हैं, इन्होंने कम से कम 4000 पैलेट्स जो 3 फुट ऊपर है ज़मीन से, वो 4000 पैलेट्स बिछाएंगे. उसके ऊपर हम कुछ 3.5 लाख साबुन बिछाएंगे. ये साबुन को बचाने के लिए लगभग 4 लाख. उसके बाद इन साबुन को बचाने के लिए हमने इसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक की वो चढ़ाई है, क्योंकि यहाँ हर 2 घंटे बाद बारिश होती है. और उसके बाद भी लॉरेंस हैज डिसाइडेड दैट ही विल incline it a bit so that even if it rains the water will go down. Now Sanjeev, continue.
And not only that, there is going to be another protective layer on top of this. We need to see how we can create a glass house effect on the whole thing. I think we will have to do it to see it and manage it on that day. So I think that is still a puzzle which we have not been able to crack as of now. Hopefully by the end of the day today or by tomorrow we should be able to crack it. Lawrence, what do you say?
Indeed, like you said, we have come from far.
Yeah.
This will not let us down. We know by end of the day tomorrow we should be able to have a solution. Yeah. And it will also be able to pray that also the rain does not come down as well.
The stage will be exactly there, right in front of us.
Yes.
The stage will be how big? Sanjeev, stage कितनी बड़ी होगी?
The stage is going to be, I think, 8 meters by 10 meters is going to be the size of the stage. And then there will be a public address system. There are 2 LED screens. Each LED is about 5 meters by 3 meters, which will be on the far end, on the opposite side. This is the area where we are going to have our people and the guests sitting over. On this side is where we are going to have our chief guests coming in. And this whole place will be covered with the soap carpet, similar to this what you are looking at. And there you have that cart going in. Just next to it you will have 60 meters by 30 meter long marquee would be there.
In fact, if you just pan with me, Mahesh, can you just pan it with me? We'll be having a helicopter here. We'll be having aerial shots. The helicopter rising and taking the shot of the world's largest carpet of soap, and I think it would be mind blowing.
And what we are also doing, probably from our side, we are not leaving anything to chance. On 27th, we are going to do a recce with the helicopter. So at about 11 o'clock in the morning, we will have the chopper coming in. When we will have probably, Lawrence, when do you think we'll have the pallets on the ground?
All the pilots will be set up by end of day Tuesday.
Tuesday is say 25th.
25th.
So when we do our recce on 27th, we'll have the pallets on the ground and we will have an aerial view of those pallets recorded. So that will give us an idea of the carpet.
And it's such a beautiful scene out here. There are 3 lakes. One goes to Tanzania, one goes to
Rwanda.
India, one goes to Rwanda.
Yeah. It's a beautiful lake view.
अगर हमसे सोप का ये नहीं बन सका तो हम उसमें डूब के जान दे देंगे.
No, back to